Hi everyone, let's discuss accounting. So, accounting simply means every action or operation that is performed on an asset or from an asset should be logged. What it means is anything that is happening on the website should be recorded, every user interaction, every change that is made should be recorded or logged somewhere in a file. This not only helps the developers or the defense team to identify attacks, but it also allows them to identify if there is a user account which is exhibiting some malicious behavior, right? So, regular logs should be made, and all those logs should also have backups, right? So, this is a very vague, simple example of what logs look like. This is the IP address from where the resource was accessed. This is the date on which it was accessed. This is the timestamp. This is the protocol, and this is the response length. Okay, all these are the paths which were accessed by this particular IP. This is the HTTP request method and different response code. Sorry, different response lengths. Okay, so accounting simply means every user interaction or every change or operation on the asset or with the asset should be logged.